Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past, where the sky is alive with the hum of drones, and where your daily commute becomes a journey of the future. Welcome to the future of transportation. In today's fast-paced world, the need for efficient, eco-friendly, and innovative transportation solutions has never been greater. The future of transportation begins with a journey through the past. From the Wright brothers to the pioneers of drone technology, innovation has always been the engine of progress. Today, we stand on the cusp of a transportation revolution thanks to the remarkable versatility of drones. Drones aren't just about convenience, they're also champions of sustainability. As cities grapple with air pollution and traffic congestion, drones promise a greener, cleaner future. Did you know? Drone delivery services have the potential to significantly reduce carbon emissions compared to traditional delivery methods. But the future of transportation goes beyond drones in the sky. Urban air mobility hubs, where drones are seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, could redefine the way we travel. Picture yourself in a passenger drone soaring above the cityscape, avoiding traffic and arriving at your destination in record time. The future of transportation isn't just a vision, it's an experience waiting for you. Through virtual reality and drone racing, you can catch a glimpse of what lies ahead. So, are you ready to take flight into the future? The era of drones as the future of transportation is here. As the sun sets over this city of innovation and possibilities, remember that the future of transportation is not just a dream, but a reality unfolding before us. If you're excited about the limitless potential of drone transportation, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our journey to the skies.